So friends, let's see today's Keema recipe. Now I've taken a large pot and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I've taken 3 large onions and chopped them really fine. So add this chopped onions to the hot oil. Fry the onions for at least 5 minutes. We want to fry the onions really well for this recipe. Next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now, if you want to make the ginger garlic paste yourself at home, take 5 large cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and grind it to a very fine paste. Now, fry this ginger garlic paste as well as the onions really well. Now, I've taken 1 green chili that I've chopped really fine and I'm going to fry that also very well. Frying everything in the bagar also increases the shelf life of the dish as well as the flavor. Now I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of meat masala. Now you can use any brand of meat masala because the ingredients are the same. Today I'm using the Suhana brand. And I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of Kitchen King masala. Here I'm using the Everest brand, but you can use any brand. Now mix all of this really nicely together. And now I'm going to be adding half a kg or 500 grams of mince or keema. You can add any keema, that is beef, chicken, mutton, soya. Just mix everything really well with the bagar. That's very important that you mix everything with the bagar really well. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water because we have to cook the cook the keema rather really well. And again, mix everything well. Mixing everything, really is important during a recipe. Now, keema is such a versatile thing. I make so many things with keema. Of course, you can have the keema like this with pav. Then, okay, now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Then, if you dry the keema a little bit, you can make keema parathas, you can make pan rolls, you can make potato chops. The list is endless. So now mix everything really well and depends on how you want to have it. If you want to have it as a curry, then add a little more water. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. One is for the color and also it enhances the taste. And I'm going to add one very favorite ingredient of mine, which is 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, which is nothing but dried fenugreek leaves. This really enhances the flavor of this keema. Now, some people like to add, peas, green peas. Some people like to add small potatoes. The choice is yours. You can add whatever you want to this keema. And I'm going to add a little bit of fresh coriander now, and of course I'm going to add a little at the end for garnish. And now mix everything well, and now we're going to simmer this, that is, cover it with a lid and cook it on a very low flame for at least 10 minutes, stirring in between. Don't forget to stir in intervals. And then afterwards, after 10 to 15 minutes, I'm just going to give it one final mix so that everything comes together. And then I'm going to turn the flame off and I'm just going to garnish it with some lovely fresh coriander. And this lovely keema is all ready to enjoy.
Today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.